Well, on today's video, I'm going to give you pretty much, let's try to get a good thumbnail, pretty much a sound test on this 5.2G Beta G with this Flowmaster FX muffler. We just put it on and you get to see what it sounds like. So, hopefully you enjoy. That's the Flowmaster we just installed. We didn't use welding, we just used clamps and adapters. So there are not many sound videos on this muffler. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment. And if you're new, don't forget to get subscribed. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching another one of my videos. And see you next time.